welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always returning back to my channel, watching all my videos. So today I'm going to transform myself. I'm going to transform myself with this look. Okay, this is the vibe I'm going for. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay to the end and please like, subscribe, and yeah. So without much ado, let's go straight into the video.
So guys, in today's video or tutorial, I did a collaboration with one of the intuitive tarot reader, and one thing that I may say is that we the Africans, or most of us in Africa, we don't take such things serious. So I may just say that sometimes when you are there, you need to take a race, you have to know some things about you and other things like that. So I said, why not? I decided to take the reading, and guess what? I may tell you that this tarot reader is very, very good, and I was very impressive with her readings. Some of the things that she said to me, I was like so shocked hearing all those things. So I said, why not? Let me share it with you guys. And her name is Ashley Hilia. Yes, Ashley Hilia on Instagram. You can go and check her out. And some of these tarot readers are very, very scammers. So you have to be very careful to whom you connect to on online. So that is why I am recommending her to you, because she's reliable. So what she told me is that I should give her my name, my date of birth, my mom's name, and she's going to take 15 minutes to connect with my energy, and in 3 hours time I will get my readings. And guess what? All what she said is very impressive, and there are things that related to me, and some of them I know it by myself. So that is why I said she is a genuine tarot reader. So if you're looking for her, she's on Instagram and her name is Ashley Hilia. I hope I pronounced the name well. So yeah, and go and check her out. You love her readings. So Ashley, thank you so much for your readings. I really appreciate it. So the look I was going for today is a pink, black, smoky eye look. Yeah, that is what I was going for. So I'll just leave you to watch how I did the eyeshadow. Then I will be back.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house.
So after I finished blending everything together, I just went in with the darker eyeshadow to draw my eye line. That is all what I was probably doing.
All I wanted was all I wanted was all I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a
So I went off camera to pop on my lashes, and I love these lashes. The lashes are giving. So after that, I went in with the Blossom micellar cleansed water to clean any fallout under my eye and my face. Then I went in with my serum, and I love this serum so much because it also minimizes my pores. After that, I went in with the moisturizer. Guys, you need moisturizer. Even if you have an oil skin, you need moisturizer. You need to moisturize that face. Take your time to moisturize, massage it into your skin well, okay? So yeah.
All I wanted was you. All I
After
wanted was
moisturizing my skin, I went in with the Bicham Ageless um, primer, and also went in with the Adventure Oil Control primer. So I used the Adventure Oil Control primer at my smile lines, my just my T-zones areas. That is where I normally sweat most or get oily most. So that is why I apply the Adventure Oil Control Primer there. And after that, I went in with two foundation. I mixed the Maybelline Superstar foundation and Blossom foundation to get this nice foundation look. Okay, and guys, you need to blend your foundation. Blend. If it will take you years to blend, because blending your foundation will determine the look that you will get at the end of the makeup. And after that, I went in my cheek lipstick as my blush. Okay, I go inside with that orange color. It's orange color, but it's looking like red, something like that. So I went in with the orange color, and I also blend. Makeup is all about blending. You blend to your satisfaction. So after blending, I went to highlight my under eye, my forehead, bridge of my nose, and my jaw with the Blossom concealer in the shade 01.
Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while. Since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got. No stockings hung, we know we're flowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells.
So after I finished applying my concealer, I went in with the Collab Cosmetics Beauty Blender to blend everything out.
You walk through those doors,
So when you are applying concealer on your face or you are highlighting your face, do it with a purpose, okay? So as you can see, I want my eye to be lifted. Where I apply my darker eyeshadow, I want it to be lifted. So that is why I apply my concealer in that direction. So don't just apply or don't just highlight your face anyhow. Highlight with a purpose.
and I hear sleigh
After I finished blending everything up, I went in with the Adventure Settings powder in, is it translucent or whatever? Yeah, it's translucent. Or I'll put the name of the shade under my description box. So I highlighted or I use it to set my concealers.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I wanted was all I wanted was
So after I finished highlighting, I went in with my contoured shade. I just went in with one shade darker than me to contour my face, my nose, and that's all. And I also did some kind of reverse contour on my cheek.
pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got. Stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you.
After I finished blending or contouring my nose, I went in with my blush. You know, I can do without blush. Blush just give a color to your face. So, guys, you can do a makeup without blush. So, I also applied a blush on my forehead and also my cheek, and that is all.
I hear sleigh
I then use my Sasha compact powder, a exact shade, to blend everything together on my face. As you can see, I was just putting everything together with that powder of mine. So after I finished that, I went in with the smaller brush to take off the excess powder under my eye and also blend everything together so that everything can look slimless. Yeah, that is all I was doing. So,
Christmas
guys.
lights shine right through the cold evening fog. And I hear
So after I finished blending everything together, I went in with the Adventure setting spray to set the makeup, and I went in with my cheek lipstick palette, and I used the brown shade, and later went in with a nude color and blend everything together, and it was so amazing and lovely. I love the look. Blend, blend, blend until you are satisfied with what you got.
all I wanted was all I wanted was
I went in with my highlighter and applied on my cheek, my forehead, my cupid bone, and the rest.
into that little town called home. Pine tree dressed
So I will be putting Ashley Hilia Instagram account link in my description box. You can go and check her out for all your tarot readings.
I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through
So
those
guys, I went
doors
in
for
with my advanced setting
Christmas.
spray to help me stay all matte. So that is all.
So guys, this is the finished look and this is how the look turned out.
All I
And I
wanted
made this
was
hair
you.
myself. So if you want to see a tutorial on this hair, kindly comment down
Winter's
below
here,
and
the
I will
snow
be
is
uploading
falling on our car
how
as we
I made
drive
this.
for miles.
week. Okay, yes, I made it myself. I'm feeling the vibe. Yeah, I'm feeling it, guys. Can you check the look?
Means a lot. Feel my heart melt. You walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted